Mega Big Shop. Cheese is the Mega Cycle Shop. We have the Strong Arm. This is the white one. The blue one. Now we have this. We have this. We have this. I got this for Christmas. We have this one, the Mega Magnus. The Mega Magnus here. Now this is the super huge.